Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a second video of Riu Tequila in Playa del Carmen, and this video is of a junior suite, which is the highest room level available. To my knowledge, they only have standard rooms and a junior suite, and there are very few of the junior suites available on the property. I think I was told there are only 12 junior suites total. So I'm going to give you a tour of this room. We actually had purchased a standard room in our package, and then we decided to upgrade the room because there was a room available after we had been here for a few days. The cost was somewhere around $75 extra per night, which is pretty good. So I'm going to show you what we have. This is the entryway. There's some nice, it's like a cactus motif. So this is just the little entryway area. And then this is the suite, or junior suite rather. Pardon all of our mess, we haven't unpacked here yet. So this is the main room area. It has the same 2 beds in it. I think this just must be what all the rooms have in them. It actually winds up being bigger than a king. So I really like the cactus. I think that's pretty cool. And I'm going to show you what we have in the closet. We do have one robe and umbrellas, ironing board, and an iron, which is like the same in a regular room. There is a safe. And then there's several extra pillows and blankets up there because the beds don't have blankets on them. I did find that it was kind of cold with only just the sheet. So it's a nice, spacious area. I will show you the bathroom. The bathroom is actually quite an upgrade from the regular room, and the TV does switch if you want. It just rolls around so you can watch it from the bed or from the little bedroom area. The alcohol dispenser is the same as in the standard room, and then you've got bottles of water, an ice bucket. I'm not sure where you find ice. I think there are ice machines around the property, but I've not seen one. You have the same drinks as you have in the standard room. We have mineral water, which is Canada Dry, Dos Equis beer, large bottles of E-Pura water. Then you've got Diet Pepsi, regular Pepsi, and 7-Up. And you are supposed to not brush your teeth with the water from the tap. You should use the bottled water, is what they say. The little sitting area is really nice. It's nice that they have some flowers. It's pretty. It's pretty comfortable. And the outdoor space looks pretty similar to what the outdoor space in a regular room looks like as well. I'm not going to go out there because it's pretty hot and my camera will fog up, but you don't have people walking past your outdoor space like we did in the other room. And there's like a hanger for your wet clothes and towels, and a little sitting space if you want to work on your computer or whatever. So I'm going to show you the bathroom. This is pretty nice. You have the option of a stand-up shower. That's a great big shower head. Looks pretty nice. We just got in here, so we haven't used anything. A separate bathroom area. And there are amenities as opposed to just the thing on the wall that you kind of pump from when you're in the shower. They have actual bottles here. And then you have a tub with jets, a jetted tub. So that's pretty nice. That's probably the main upgrade of this room, in addition to the extra space that you get. But it is also nice because in this junior suite, you do have a door that you can close off for the bathroom, because in the regular standard rooms, you don't really have a separation. You just have the toilet, which has a door, and a shower, which it's not very secure. The water runs out onto the floor, but It was absolutely fine as well, but since this was available, we decided to go ahead and upgrade. There's a fan. I like the decor in this room. It's pretty nice. So tell me what you guys think. I think this is a nice room if it's available. It doesn't cost that much more than the standard room. It's a nice little treat for yourself. So hopefully you guys liked this video, enjoyed it, and felt like it was helpful. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much. Have a great day.